Bonjour, nous sommes en classe de terminale gestion administration et aujourd'hui 2 groupes de la classe vont vous parler de jeunes activistes qui se battent pour l'environnement dans différents pays de notre planète si souvent maltraités. Elles se sont basées sur leurs études d'un article publié en mai 2020 dans leur magazine I Love English World, que vous pouvez lire et écouter au CDI du lycée si vous désirez en savoir davantage sur ces modèles pour notre génération. Je vous laisse avec Coralie, Maëna et Julie.
Hello, I'm Julie. We are going to tell you about 4 young activists who fight to improve the situation on Earth and to protect the environment from global warming and pollution.
Maëna speaking. Shuteska is an American teenager of Aztec origin who is fighting against pollution in his country. He and his 19 friends created a group called Guardian on the Earth. They could stop the use of pesticides in their city in Colorado State, and they even won a justice case against the US government. He is also an hip-hop artist and released an album to express his message and was one of the young persons to make a speech at the United Nations.
Coralie speaking. Melati and Isabel Woozen are 15 and 17 and want to ban plastic bags because it pollutes the beach of Bali. Then they will make a petition intituled Bye Bye Plastic Bags, which to go 100,000 signatures. As the petition is not enough to make the government react, they will go on hunger strike. But 2 days later, the governor invited them to take about the problem.
For the last example, when Autumn Pelletier was 12 years old, she berated the Canadian Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, at an assembly of Canadian Indigenous peoples because she was worried about the pollution of water in many tribal areas of Canada.
In conclusion, we believe it is important to defend your planet and to protect the environment against global warming, melting glaciers and pollution. We find all the more the fact that it is young people who make things happen that will make people think and maybe change mentalities.
I'm young and I'm positive. 2 things that I've never not been. But growing up in a world so cold, it made it hard for a kid to not lose hope. Am I just a voice for a lost generation? The ignorance of people taught me to be patient. So be patient and stay humble. Defeat the hatred and watch the walls crumble. Don't let the pain of the world steal your smile. Don't let the concrete tame what was once wild. I run wild, no borders and no fences. Tobacco in the wind, off 4 directions. 17 years to obsidian eyes. Sail across the ocean, the meridian lines to where oblivion lies. Shit, I'm ahead of my time, I'm just a young fool chasing the sunrise, yeah.
Is it just me? Is it the city? Lights have been swallowing me. Who would believe beautiful mess could break free? I guess we'll see. Damn, what have I become? Is a man in the mirror I've been trying to run from. Sober, I don't wanna wait till I get old. Addiction, fed me the pity, man, now I'm on screen. Of anxiety, little boy inside of me scared. Yeah, but he's a survivor. Medicating, hated himself for, left home to forward to face God in the forest bypass. Sorting through the trauma, the loss of the feminine to life for mama. Guilty of abusing power, a treat my toe, I've been a coward. Pornography disorder, my separate the women who've given into him again and again. It's a fucking sickness. Forgive him, he was just a child, you see, as he reconciles. Is it just me? Or is it this city? Lights have been swallowing me. Who would believe a beautiful mess could break free? I Guess we'll see.
Most youths chase nothing, no sense of direction. Pressure to fit into these boxes, be perfect in a world of imperfections. We don't celebrate laughter, a greater purpose, or pursuing your passion. And I'm trapped in my mind, and the only escape is when I'm outside rapping. When your test scores seem to mean more than feeling alive and finding out what you breathe for. I feel something missing. My generation should dream more. Broken wings, broken hearts, a broken world will fall apart. All that I've done is not enough. There's too damn much I can't control, and I can't let go. I feel the weight of the world on my shoulders. I feel the guilt of never getting sober. I feel for you, never felt love. I feel the pressure of trying to grow up. I feel the blade, I feel the scars. I feel the fear of not knowing who we are. The hate, the love, the tears that we shed for those that we lost, every bit of regrets. And this is deep in the words, deeper than the depression of the kids in the words. The pain of being alive, and this shit still hurts. Prescribed by a doctor, but these pills don't work. Over-medicate the youth from east to west coast. Scars on your wrist, written suicide notes. This is your life to live, not your life to take. I'm so sick and tired of these mistakes we made.
Is it just me? Is it the sea? Lights have been swallowing me. Who would believe beautiful mess? Beautiful mess could break free. Guess we'll see.
That was really good, bro. It sounded really pretty.
Maintenant, c'est au tour de Roman et Adèle de vous présenter ce sujet.
Today we are going to tell you about 3 activists we have studied about and who seem at protecting the environment. These 3 activists are very committed to improving the environmental cause.
At first, we will introduce Melody and Isabel, who are 17 and 18 years old. The 2 Balinese sisters start a company that has since resulted in plastic bags ban on the Indonesian island. The sisters started a petition Bye Bye Plastic Bag that soon had over 100,000 signatures.
When the Iceland governor refused to consider a ban, at the beginning the sisters started hunger strike. 2 days later they were invited to the governor's residence to discuss the question. As a result, a ban of plastic bags was introduced in Bali, and it spanned all around Indonesia.
Secondly, we talk about Autumn Pelletier. She is 15 years old. At 12 years old, berated as the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau at an assembly of Canadian Indigenous people because of the water pollution. She wants that the competent authority find a solution. Her future plans include going to law school and becoming Prime Minister of Canada.
Thirdly, Chutescat is Aztec origin. He fights for American environment. Chutescat is also a hip-hop artist. That's the way he has convinced so many people they had a victory, but there was an appeal for a high court. In Boulder, they could stop use of pesticides in public parts. We have finished the presentation of 3 activists. Roman, which one is a model for you?
I prefer Autumn Pelletier because she is very strong, she has self-possession. And you, Adele?
I prefer Melody and Isabel because they have ambitious and I love Bali. And you, what do you think about it?
Merci de nous avoir écoutés.
痛苦。